It was really difficult, but I just hope it works. It does work.
It went so far.
Rolling. Start.
Are you going to become a Yoda or are you going to become a Spider-Man with it?
Spider Yoda.
Oh, that's something. Kabir, I think तुम्हें wristband बनाना चाहिए था.
The worst ever Spider-Man movie.
Is all
Done. Yes.
Let's go. Please,
We
can
are
you
always on
do
the
it?
paper side.
Yeah, it's my turn. We're going to cover the matchbox. Is all
Done.
so it's there.
Now we need to cut a piece of straw which is equal to the dimensions of the matchbox. Fine.
Good. It's got. So now we will need a platform to stick our straw on. So now this is the tricky part. You really need to be very clear and conscious as to
Till
how
that
we
time
are
I'm sticking this.
And then we'll have to fold this part with a rubber or a tape or a thread, whatever.
Why?
So that when we press it, it can go naturally. It can go down very naturally. Please stick it here.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So big. OMG.
Kabir is so lazy.
I am L. R.I.P.
Please, my dear friend, can you give me some glue gun? I need some glue gun assistance.
Glue master is alive again.
So our rubber band is here on place. The glue gun was pretty nice. Okay, put a lot of glue gun here. Oh, thank you. We have our base ready, and all we are going to do is place it in.
Look.
Okay, this is good. कभी को थकान के ना शो है. ये इसका thread है, ये इसका hole है.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
ये होता है panel. ठीक है, I'm good. Set. And let's see if we pull this trigger down, does it move or not? ठीक है? That was the game, right?
Yes.
Oh yes, it does. It does work pretty well. But I think we need to make a taller, like a longer arrow, right? So let's make a longer arrow. This paper seems fine to me. So now it's ready, and I hope it works well. Start. करें, try करें. 1, 2, 3, go. अच्छा pressure. So let's see. That's how it goes. Cool. Now
I'm
it's
the
done.
best Spider Yoda now.
And now it's time to make a wristband out of this. Okay, you wanna draw a Spider-Man on this box? Okay, I'll make a wristband. My wristband is ready. It's a super easy thing. Just leave the eyes white. We'll make black as border. So do we start? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! It was really difficult, but I just hope it works. It does
It
work!
went so far.
It does work!
It went like 3 to 4 meters far.
Wow, this is nice. So if you liked how we made this super cool, what was the name? Spider Yoda.
Yes.
The Spider Yoda
Shooter.
wrist shooter. Well, if you like it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our videos and channel. ठीक है? Till the next time. Bye.
See you in the next video.